Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need admin rights and a restore point before changing system hotkeys. This protects you if something breaks. First, check your Windows 11 build so instructions match. Then open Settings, go to Accessibility, and open Keyboard. This is where many shortcut toggles live. Once there, turn off sticky keys or filter keys if they trigger unwanted combos. Make sure to note default settings so you can revert. These initial steps set a safe baseline for deeper changes. Next, target built-in shortcut sources. Accessibility controls sticky, filter, and toggle keys, which often cause accidental key combos. Turn them off. Then open Settings right arrow system right arrow multitasking to disable snap assist behaviors and win plus arrow effects if those are the problem. For taskbar or quick settings hotkeys, adjust notifications and corner overflow items to reduce conflicts. Once done, test the most used shortcuts to confirm behavior. This isolates which system feature. For advanced control, use registry edits to disable specific win key combos. This is powerful, so export the key first. Alternatively, install auto hotkey to intercept and block keys programmatically. This offers granular remapping without deep registry risk. Once scripts or registry changes are applied, sign out or restart to apply them. If something goes wrong, use your restore point or boot into safe mode to undo edits. That one troubleshooting tip will save time if hotkeys stop responding.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.